touch or do anything to these chambers, or you may get the shock of your life. Welcome. To you, this probably looks like a lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. I know that this is a lot, but for us, it's everything. You've met the gatherers. You may call me Kimbe.
Hello, Kimbe.
Hello! We humbly call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So for those stormtroopers that see only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past just might ensure our future. Right? Now, out of curiosity, you've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct?
Yes, so he could get his lightsaber.
Well, we hear there's another, a new Jedi. You know her name. What's her name?
Right.
Rey. What she's leading is this spark of hope we've all been waiting for. And that is why you're here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder, force flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Well, enough of all that, let's get started. We began with perhaps one of the most important components of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Sage Ventress, Darth Vader, Kylo Ren. Yes, you want me? And these are all stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Indulge me for a moment, everyone. Close your eyes. Try to close your eyes and picture all the kyber crystals I described. Which one calls to you? Everyone, open your eyes and take your crystal. And once you've selected your kyber crystal, please place it in the green crystal holder in front of you. Make sure you put those crystals in the crystal holder.
What's the crystal holder?
Oh, that's a good question.
It's not a jalapeno.
Excellent work, everyone. Well done. It is now time for you to join your kyber crystal with your saber design. Right, you've been waiting for this. It is now time for you to build your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt is also the part that prevents your hand from being disabled. Now, in these boxes are all the lightsaber components you previously selected. Inside, you will find lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you select your kyber crystal, you will select each part of your saber to create one that is uniquely yours. Everyone stop what you're doing and look in front of you. These are your gatherers. Please allow them to guide you on your journey. And with that, everyone, let's build.
Rising Moon Travelers, my name is Moira. I'm your gatherer tonight. First, we're going to start with the chassis. This is the kyber crystal chamber. We're going to insert the crystal selected into the chamber. The top of the chamber, go over the red and blue square on the chassis. Are you good? Oh, let's see. What color is it? Would you like this? This one. Okay, next we will go for the red and blue square on the chassis. And then we're going to go to column number 5. Column number 5 has 2 activation plates. Column number 5 has 2 sets of activation plates. You're going to choose one or the other. And then once you're selecting your plates, you need to turn it over and see the same red and blue square. You see the same red and blue square. And you're going to lay the red square on the red square. The blue square on the blue square, and then snap together. Like so. And can you slide your switch for me? Excellent. Can you slide your switch? Perfect. Can you slide your switch? Excellent. Next we're going to go to the grip. 4 pieces of grip, you're going to choose 2. This band, it's going to come right to this band. I'm going to turn your pieces. This band, closest to you, is going to sit right here on the activation point. So this band right here is going to go in first and sit right up on your activation point. Band right here, this way, and that. Once you have it on, you're going to push down and twist, and it will lock in place. It should be snug. Nope, the band's going to go in first. Band go in first, so this is reverse. Yep. And then you're going to push down and twist. Yep. Is it locking in place? It's the reverse. Your band's going to come in first. Reverse it. This piece comes in. Yep. Yep. Now you're going to put a second piece? Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to have to do one piece at a time. It's easier to lock them. Yes, this side. Are you happy with your piece?
Yes.
Perfect. Hold it straight up and down, and you're going to choose one or the other from column number 3, and it's going to spin on like a battle cap. So, yep, one or the other, and it spins on like a battle cap. Hold it straight up and down. And this will spin on like a battle cap. Yep, one or the other. And if you're good with that, turn it completely upside down. And I'm going to do the same exact thing for column 4, your pummel cap. Same thing, yep, like this. And if you put it upside down, then you're going to choose one or the other of the pummel cap, and it goes right on exactly the same. That's all right, excellent. Would you like me to do a final inspection for you?
Sure.
Excellent. So this is the activation switch. Kembe will let the whole group know to do it all together.
Okay. And
when she says activate, you just slide the switch, and deactivate is the other way.
Perfect.
Congratulations on your build.
Thank you. And this is Spencer's lightsaber.
Oh, that's the one where I lost my eyebrows.
Many parts still her now. Join what they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, indeed, it is time to take that first step. Everyone, we have reached the final stage. The bond between saber and wielder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll ask you all to take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, we'll all activate at once. Is everyone ready? Take a step forward. Hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And just like them, you too may change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone, please deactivate and lower your sabers now.
Complete your lightsaber aims. Like you when it can, lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Wielder. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped to the ground. So, hold it tight. Keep it close. The lightsaber is your life. Our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's your time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you created. And who knows, perhaps next time we will be telling your story. Once more, raise